So in this video, you'll learn how to add and use keyframes on CapCut PC. So the first step is to open your project, whether it's a photo project or a video project, it doesn't really matter. All you need to do is just simply open your project and add it to the timeline. Once it's been added to the timeline, it's now time to add the keyframe. So the first step is to move this to the position where you want your first keyframe to be. You can always choose to leave it at the beginning, or you can just move it forward a bit until you find the perfect position. And so once you find the perfect position, you then want to come to this section up top, and you want to select, and you want to ensure that your video has been selected first of all. And once it's been selected, you should see this video option selected. Once you've selected video, you should see under basic, the option transform with this diamond icon next to it. So this diamond icon allows you to add a keyframe directly onto your project. So what you want to do is simply click on this icon like that, and then the keyframe has been added, and you can even tell because you see this diamond icon on your project. So from here, it's now up to you to adjust your image or video to your liking. So you can zoom in, you can zoom out, it's up to you. So let me just zoom in, and then I move on to the next step. So let me move on to the next step, or to the next time I want to add a keyframe, which is here. And then I can adjust this image again. So I can move it up like that. You can see a keyframe has automatically been added because I already selected the keyframe option first. Whatever movement I do, a keyframe will be added onto that section if it hasn't already. So again, let me move it down across my timeline like that, then adjust it to my liking. Again, a keyframe has been added. And what you want to do is simply just do this across your whole project until you're satisfied with how it looks like. And then once you're satisfied, you then want to play the video or to play the photo and see if you like how it looks. And so now let me just play my video. You can see every time it hits a keyframe on the timeline, my video adjusts to the movements that I did on my project. So you can see the video moving around, and then it will start zooming out when it gets towards the end. And so that's how you can add and use keyframes on CapCut PC. So just take your time, enjoy adding the keyframes. You can always just go back and delete them if you find you don't like them. And then once you've deleted them, again, you can just try again with a different frame in mind. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.